लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आप जो टेक लवर्स मुझे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, गेमर्स, क्रिएटर्स, प्रोफेशनल्स, स्टूडेंट्स, आप सबका स्वागत है। यू आर वेलकम टू अ मोमेंट ऑफ हिस्ट्री। एक ऐसा मोमेंट जहां पे परफॉर्मेंस, पावर एंड अफोर्डेबिलिटी एक्चुअली कम टुगेदर। ये शेप करेगा द फ्यूचर ऑफ मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी। और आज ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च है दैट इज एन एब्सोल्यूट रेवोल्यूशन। अब देखो, आप कई लोगों को सुनते होंगे कि एवरी टाइम देयर इज अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट दैट कम्स आउट इन द टेक्नोलॉजी मार्केट, बोलते हैं ये रेवोल्यूशन है। लेकिन आज कोई एग्जैजरेशन नहीं कर रहा मैं। आपको एक बात तो पता है ना कि आई ओनली लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट्स आउट हियर जिसको मैं कंप्लीटली कन्विंस्ड हूं दैट दिस इज क्रिएटिंग समथिंग दैट हैज नेवर एवर हैपेंड बिफोर। और आज एक नहीं, दो ऐसी चीजें हैं। तो वी आर हियर टू विटनेस समथिंग वेरी मैसिव, समथिंग गेम चेंजिंग, समथिंग जो ओनली वन ब्रांड आई थिंक कुड हैव पुल्ड इट ऑफ, एंड दैट इज एसर। उन्होंने इंस्पायर किया और इनकल ने किया है द इंस्पिरेशन टू bring out these Acer smartphones. देखो, आप Acer the brand को तो बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते होगे। You know what they have done in laptops, high performance machines बनाते हैं, built for gamers, creators, students, professionals। आपने Acer के ब्रांड के monitors देखे होंगे, they light up e-sports tournaments around the world। Acer display जो है redefines करते हैं sharpness, और उनकी जो televisions हैं they have redefined how Indians consume entertainment। लेकिन आज Acer brand is going many steps further. As they are bringing that same innovation into your hands with Acer smartphones। ये बिल्कुल हुआ है आज। Acer smartphones आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे। पूरी दुनिया ना was always asking them कब आएंगे, and the world waited and Intel has finally delivered। ब्रांड ने वो डिलीवर किया that even we did not have expectations। और ये ना जो ब्रांड आया है विद स्मार्टफोन्स, दे नॉट हियर टू एक्सपेरिमेंट, दे नॉट हियर कि कुछ ट्वीक कर देते हैं, कुछ छोटा मोटा चेंज कर देते हैं, अच्छा वो ब्रांड ये कर रहा है मुझसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर देते हैं। वो लोग आए हैं विद द काइंड ऑफ स्मार्टफोन्स टू एब्सोल्युटली डोमिनेट। तो वेलकम टू माय शो, वेलकम टू Amazon Live। मेरा नाम है राजीव माखनी एंड आई बीन पार्ट ऑफ सम इनक्रेडिबल टेक लॉन्चेस इन माय एंटायर करियर। लेकिन ये वाला ना, इसके कुछ फील, इसकी जो वाइब है वही अलग है। इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट स्मार्टफोन्स, इट्स नॉट अबाउट टेकिंग एवरीथिंग जो ये सर बहुत अच्छी तरह करता है, उनकी इनोवेशन, उनकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी, उनका वर्ल्ड क्लास टेक्नोलॉजी जो है, इट स्टैंड्स फॉर समथिंग मच मोर। चैनल कर रहे हैं थ्रू इनकल्स एक्सपर्टीज इनटू अ पॉकेट साइज डिवाइस दैट वर्क्स फॉर इंडिया। तो मैं आज ना आपके सामने दो फोन्स इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा। दो फोन्स हमारे यहाँ पे लॉन्च होंगे। मल्टीपल पीपल आर गोइंग टू कम एंड जॉइन मी फ्रॉम द मेन कंपनी, फ्रॉम द प्रोसेसर दैट गोज इनटू द मीडियाटेक जो कंपनी है, वहां से भी लोग आएंगे। आई विल बी जॉइंड बाय समवन फ्रॉम Amazon ऑल्सो। सो दिस इज अ बिग ह्यूज वन। तो मैं यहाँ पे लॉन्च करूंगा, आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ टू टू फोन्स, एसर का सुपर ZX एंड एसर का सुपर ZX Pro। यहीं पे है, यहाँ पड़े हैं, अभी आपको दिखाऊंगा। लेकिन आप बोलेंगे ये दो फोन तो यहाँ लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, What is this? यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 है। तो 5 फोन यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? Could they be giveaways? अब कम ऑन, मतलब एक गिव अवे बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, दो हो जाए तो इट बीट्स ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स। 5 गिव अवे थोड़ी हो सकते हैं, 5 गिव अवे ही होने वाले हैं। यस, दिस इज द मोस्ट इनक्रेडिबल लॉन्च दैट वी आर डूइंग। 5 giveaways, यानी कि 2 from this and 3 from this, we are giving away 5 Acer phones and this is for 5 lucky winners। और वो सारे के सारे लकी विनर्स के लिए आप कैसे जीतेंगे, क्या करना है, वो सब मैं आपको समझाऊंगा। सो गेट योर फैमिली, योर फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट्सएप पे, फेसबुक पे, सब जगह पे मैसेज कर दो कि 5 गिव अवे हो रहे हैं। लेट्स ट्राई एंड विन देम ऑल बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन राइट नाउ। पहला सवाल आई एम गोइंग टू बी आस्किंग इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स, सो डोंट गो एनीवेयर, स्टे हियर। तो मैंने आपको बता रहा था, मैं आपको 2 पावर पैक बीस्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे, डिजाइन फॉर 2 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ यूजर्स। बट एक चीज कॉमन है दोनों में, दे एब्सोल्युटली क्रश एक्सपेक्टेशंस। ये क्रश कर देते हैं दैट नोशन के ग्रेट परफॉर्मेंस सिर्फ उनके लिए है जिनको प्रीमियम प्राइस टैग देने की प्राइस मनी है उनके पास। दे क्रश द बिलीफ के गेमिंग फोन्स आर ओनली फॉर द एब्सोल्यूट एलीट। ये क्रश कर देते हैं कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस दैट यू हैव टू मेक सो फार व्हाइल चूजिंग बिटवीन प्राइस, परफॉर्मेंस एंड फीचर्स ऑल्सो। क्योंकि लेट्स बी रियल, आज के स्मार्टफोन में जो क्या है, दे एक्सपेक्टेड टू डू इट ऑल ना। हमारे कैमराज हैं, हमारे वॉलेट्स हैं, हमारे गेम कंसोल्स हैं, हमारी मूवी स्क्रीन्स हैं, हमारे ऑफिस है, हमारा क्लासरूम है। दे हेल्प अस टू स्टे फिट, स्टे इन्फॉर्म्ड, स्टे कनेक्टेड। सो व्हाई शुड ओनली अ सिलेक्ट फ्यू हैव एक्सेस टू दैट काइंड ऑफ परफेक्ट इनक्रेडिबल पावर? ये है वो सवाल जो इनकल ने यहाँ पे एक्चुअली आंसर किया है। और उसका जो सवाल का जो जवाब है, दैट इज व्हाट यू आर अबाउट टू सी टुडे। ये लॉन्च है फॉर क्रिएटर्स, गेमर्स, हसलर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, ड्रीमर्स। ये है लॉन्च फॉर इंडिया। एक ऐसा प्राइस टू परफॉर्मेंस रेशियो दैट हैज नेवर एवर बीन सीन बिफोर। आपको जो मिल रहा है, द फीचर्स, द स्पेक्स, द हार्डवेयर, द इनोवेशन इन दीज फोन्स एंड द प्राइसिंग, jaw dropping prices। लेकिन मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ फिर से, let's talk a little bit about the giveaway because बहुत सारे सवाल आ रहे हैं about that। ये जो लाइव स्ट्रीम है, this is a completely different level of being different। पहली बार we are giving away 5 smartphones to lucky viewers and it's going to be something you can do very very easily। 5 फोन जो यहाँ पे हैं, these 5 phones will be given to 5 lucky viewers। और मैं आपसे सिर्फ 5 सवाल पूछूंगा, every 5 to 10 मिनट्स के बाद एक सवाल आएगा, उसका आपने हम लोग को जो है आंसर देना है ऑन ट्विटर। आपने टैग करना है मुझे, एसर को, अमेजॉन को। तीनों जो अकाउंट्स हैं, दे शुड बी विजिबल ऑन योर स्क्रीन राइट नाउ। बस उन अकाउंट्स को टैग कर दीजिए, पुट आउट अ ट्वीट, we'll read your tweet and if your answer is correct you will be able to win a phone। But first we are going to talk about the phones। भाई मैं आपको दोनों फोन्स एक बार दिखा दूं फटाफट, जरा सचिन आइए यहाँ पे, दोनों फोन्स दिखा दीजिए। जस्ट लुक एट दिस फोन, ये एक बेस लेवल का फोन है एंड लुक एट द काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी दैट दे बीन एबल टू बिल्ड इनटू दिस फोन। Absolutely beautiful material, the design, and this is their pro version, looks fantastic। तो ये मैंने आपको sneak preview दे दिया about the two phones, but let's begin with the vision behind Acer smartphones by Intel। क्यों, why are they entering the smartphone world now? उनकी तो capability हमेशा से थी, right? What does it mean for India and millions of users जो हैं यहाँ पे? इस type का price to performance ratio उन्होंने कैसे achieve किया, right? So let's meet the person behind all of this, जो vision है Acer smartphones के लिए। Joining me today is Anand Dubey, CEO of Intel Technologies, the driving force behind Acer mobiles। Anand, welcome। And देखा, I've got so excited कि I've lost a little bit of my breath out here। Two great phones, okay? And you know, जो हम लोग की पूरी टीम है, we've been playing around with these phones, experimenting, torturing them for multiple weeks now, right? And we think this is brilliant, but the price to performance ratio is incredible। आप लोग shock हो जाएंगे when I tell you the prices out here। लेकिन how have you managed to do it and why Acer smartphones now at this time in the market of smartphones?
So, firstly, thank you for having me over, Rajiv.
Absolutely.
It's a pleasure. And it's truly a proud moment for all of us at Intel. For more than 45 years, Acer brand has been at the forefront of computing innovation। ये वो machine है जो schools में computers पार करती हैं, जो offices and gaming arenas को पार करती हैं। And the creative studios across the world also use Acer brand laptops।
Right.
But there was one space we hadn't made a mark yet, the space of smartphones। Because today, the smartphone isn't just a piece of technology. It's an extension of your life।
Absolutely।
Think about it. When you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you touch? When you go to sleep, what is the last thing that you see? It's your camera, it's your notebook, your music system, and your connection to the world।
True, very true।
Mobility is no longer a luxury, it's the basic expectation now। Who better to bring this reliable, high performance, intelligently designed mobility to our worlds than the Acer brand?
True।
Who better to take the same engineering that powers esports, the same displays used in professional studios, the same battery tech that fuels ultrabooks, and bring it to smartphones?
Right।
So here we are, inspired by this legacy, we at Intel set out to build a smartphone that lives up to the Acer brand's high standards।
Okay, you know, I am very excited। I want to show people, especially I want to start off with this phone। लेकिन उससे पहले कर देते हैं ना, lot of people asking, let's get started with that first giveaway question। तो अभी तो मैंने phones के बारे में कुछ बताया नहीं, but फिर भी let's ask you the first question। Remember, हर सवाल के साथ एक phone आप जीत सकते हैं। तो मेरा पहला सवाल है, what is the name of the company which of course Anand represents out here as CEO? क्या है नाम उस कंपनी का that is launching the smartphones in India for with the Acer brand, right? तो आपने सिर्फ मेरे को कंपनी का नाम बताना है, that is all। और क्या करना है आपने, उसका जो आपको I'm sure you already know the answer to that question। आप टैग करो मुझे, एसर को, अमेजोन को ऑन ट्विटर, और सम पीपल अदर देन इलॉन मस्क आल्सो कॉल इट एक्स, तो आप वहाँ पे इसका आंसर डाल दीजिए और हमारे जो हैंडल्स वहाँ पे हैं मैं आपको स्क्रीन पे अभी दिखा रहा हूँ, एंड दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. सो आई आस्क्ड यू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक ये वाला फ़ोन जो है यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा साइड पे कर देता हूँ बिकॉज क्वेश्चन 1 इज डन एंड आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू पार्टिसिपेट बिकॉज हर सवाल के साथ वी विल गिव अवे 1 phone. Anand, what I truly appreciate is that, you're not just coming in with one model. आपने एक मार्केटिंग कंपनी नहीं बनाई कि चलो एक फोन ले लिया उसको मार्केट कर लेंगे, इट इज गोइंग टू गो वेल. You've come in with great intent. लग रहा है जैसे कि आप बहुत फ्यूचर प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. You're coming in with a platform with 2 phones, 2 different segments, 2 different missions, right? So is that the plan?
Absolutely. I think एक बहुत बेसिक प्रॉब्लम है हमारे स्मार्टफोन मार्केट में. टू ऑफन कंज्यूमर्स आर फोर्स्ड टू चूज बिटवीन प्राइस एंड परफॉर्मेंस, बिटवीन अ गुड कैमरा एंड अ गुड बैटरी, बिटवीन अ स्लीक डिजाइन एंड एन एक्चुअल ड्यूरेबिलिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. With the Acer models that we launched today, especially the Acer Super ZX Pro, we wanted to break that compromise completely. It's a phone that delivers performance and practicality, especially for students, first-time smartphone users, or anyone looking for a dependable, budget-friendly secondary phone.
Right. By the way, I love the design of this. सचिन, एक बार फिर आके दिखाओ because this is such a good-looking phone. पहली चीज हमारी टीम ने बोला था कि is that the Pro model? When we saw it, and when we realized कि नहीं, that's the base model, I absolutely thought that was fantastic. But tell me something about the Pro version also.
Yeah, absolutely. So Super ZX Pro is exactly the same philosophy.
सचिन वापस आओ, ये तब तक दिखाओ ना ये वाला फोन. Carry on.
We're entering into a very competitive segment. This is a segment which is filled with brands, offering a lot of different things to customers. And we thought, why not do it all? So we're bringing that confidence to the ZX Pro. It's for the gamers, it's for the content creators, it's for the multitaskers, people who need more than just apps and then a camera. They need speed, they need style, and they need substance. And Rajiv, we've done this with an understanding of the Indian customer. That's the most important thing. We've gone deep, we've understood our customers. The usage of smartphones in India is very, very different from what we consume globally.
Correct.
The hot weather, the long hours, the patchy networks, they just go away for 5 minutes. And that's why both phones that we are launching today are tested under extreme conditions. With reinforced designs, smart thermal management, and AI optimizations that make sure that every aspect of the usage is friendly and very, very comfortable.
आनंद, मैं normally लोगों को बोल देता हूँ कि जब brands अपने product के बारे में बात करते हैं, they do brand speak, right? But here the good thing is that I completely agree with you. This is very true कि जो ये foreign, devices that are globally launched everywhere, brought to India, they are not really optimized for India. You said the right things, and as a tech journalist, as someone that has been in this space now for so long, बहुत frustration होती है हमारे को कभी-कभी कि phones don't work in that kind of environment that we are on, noisy environments. India is a loud country. We are a country that is. I mean, let's accept
Absolutely.
that. We are a loud country. We are a country which has patchy networks. We are a country जहाँ पे the weathers are extreme. I'm glad you thought कि आप pain points remove करोगे. But I'm getting constant messages on our live platform कि इतना hype हो गया, इतना build up हो गया. Tell us about the first phone. So let's get into the first phone right now. We thought we'll do it a little later, but I want to do it now because I want people to understand. और उससे पहले, before you do all of that, we've got this very nice poster that we have. We're asking people unmute कर लो अपने आप को because ये जो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 फोन है जो हम लोग ने give away करने हैं, जो इसका review हम लोग करेंगे, you will not know anything what is going on. So unmute yourself right now. So we'll start off first with Sachin Ajo. I'm going to talk about the display and the design. Okay. So first of all, ये जो इसका जो यहाँ पे आप डिस्प्ले देख रहे हैं, Acer Super ZX जो है, ये जो डिस्प्ले है इसका, दिस इज अ लार्ज 6.8 इंच डिस्प्ले. बहुत अच्छा बैलेंस दिखाता है आपको बिटवीन साइज एंड यूजेबिलिटी. FHD प्लस पैनल है, ब्राइट है, शार्प है, एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज फोन दैट इज, जो मैं इसका आपको प्राइस पॉइंट बताऊंगा, यू विल बी शॉक्ड. दिस इज अ फोन दैट इज अंडर 10,000 rupees exact price point. I will let you know very, very soon. So only FHD plus display है in this segment, right? Which in itself ये बहुत emphasize करना बहुत ज़रूरी है that this is absolutely fantastic. और brand ने यहाँ पे add किया है its own display optimization engine out here. तो आप indoors हो, आप sunlight में हो, visuals stay clear and punchy, the best you can get in this segment. Design बहुत ही lightweight है, minimal है. It's very, very, very thin. Budget friendly इसकी price है मैंने आपको बता दिया. The phone feels absolutely solid, very luxurious. I love this entire camera array that you've put together. Very, very premium. Smooth curves there for easy handling. Matte finish that resists fingerprints in every which way. This phone looks at least 2 to 3 times the price that they're actually asking for it. Again, I'm emphasizing this is an under 10,000 rupee phone. Incredible, okay? Do you want to tell a little bit about the processor and everything else that you've going to take it?
So, as you said, this is a phone that we put together thinking ki performance kaise laye is price point pe.
Okay.
And performance is not just the processor, Rajiv. It's the performance of the processor along with the camera, the battery and everything else. And
Right.
that requires a lot of optimization.
Correct.
So what we did is we started work with the base, which is the chipset, and we brought the 6300, MediaTek 6300.
So again, under 10,000 rupees में आपको FHD plus screen मिल रही है, this great design मिल रहा है, and you're getting a MediaTek 6300 processor, एक बहुत ही reliable chipset, known for its efficiency, its smooth multitasking. This is not meant for hardcore gamers के लिए नहीं, but I would say somewhere in the middle,
Absolutely.
you can still pull off fantastic gaming. ये day-to-day tasks effortlessly handle करता है, multiple social media apps खोल लो. I think one of the torture tests we always do with phones is to check both the RAM and the processor optimization is we open 30 apps simultaneously.
Right.
And one of them is at least a big game, right? फिर हम लोग Chrome के tabs खोलते हैं in Chrome, about 30 of them. And if it doesn't slow down, it doesn't feel like कि suddenly phone में से हवा निकल गई है. That means it is beautifully optimized. And we did it with this, and we were very, very happy. Browsing heavy websites, सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी तरह करता है. And of course, there are various versions of it, but app switching is, इसमें आपको the version that you have is I think 4 plus 128 and
It
6.
starts with 4
Right?
128.
And then 6
And then we have the 8 version
8
as well.
also, right? So इसमें बहुत सारे options भी हैं, and remember it starts under 10,000 rupees. Price to be revealed very, very soon. आप देखेंगे that background activity हो, game हो, everything is very well managed, and the brand has done a great job with thermal optimization. Extended use में the phone does not heat up abnormally. Phone doesn't scream for attention कि यार don't use me anymore. I am going to take a 1-hour break to cool down. But it quietly deliver करता है day in and day out. Now, my second question coming up for the giveaway. I'm thinking कि हम बात कर ही रहे हैं phone के बारे में. I'm going to throw out the second question. So this phone already won by someone. Now this is for the next one. Remember, आपने answer डालना है correctly on Twitter, and the 3 handles that have to be tagged on Twitter, I'm showing them to you right now. आप सिर्फ इस चीज़ का second question का answer डाल दीजिए, and this phone will be delivered to you in your house. अभी बताया था. Why don't you ask them the question, and why don't you do it KBC style, okay? Which is ask the question, और इस बार 4 options भी दे दो आप, okay? So ask them, okay?
What is the processor used in the Acer Super ZX model? आपके options हैं MediaTek Dimensity 6300, MediaTek Dimensity 1000, MediaTek Dimensity 3000, and Meditation Dimension 6300 processor.
I think MediaTek के लिए this could be a good sub-brand, the meditation brand. I think Anuj is joining us from
Yes.
MediaTek. I'm very excited to meet him again. उनसे पूछेंगे would he want to have a sub-brand called the MediaTek Meditation series, okay? So Anuj, whenever you come in, be ready with your answer. Okay, तो आपने जो है ये वाला जो phone है जीतने के लिए, all you have to do is correctly answer the question on Twitter or X, tag करें मुझे, एसर को, Amazon को, तीनों हैंडल्स हम लोग आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखा रहे हैं, बस टैग कर दीजिए एंड गिव मी द आंसर. दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. ओके, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स वी वर इम्प्रेस्ड क्योंकि 10,000 रुपीज में एक दो चीज़ों का बहुत बड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज होता है. वन इज द स्क्रीन, यू ऑलरेडी डन FHD प्लस, बट दूसरा वाला कॉम्प्रोमाइज आनंद इज ऑलवेज डन बाय ऑल ब्रांड्स, द कैमरा इज वेरी मिडलिंग. मतलब ठीक है, इट्स ओके, but never great. अच्छा तो बताओ a little bit about the camera because we were very impressed with the performance और under 10,000 rupees में नहीं मिलते अच्छे कैमरा तो क्या डाला है आपने इसमें?
Sure. So
सचिन तब तक आओ यार जरा दिखाओ लोगों को about the camera. Come in close, show them this area. Okay.
So, Raj, the most important thing of a phone camera is the setup. वो setup कैसे हो रखा है?
Right.
How strong is the main camera? Because you're going to be shooting most of your pictures and your videos from the main camera.
Right.
तो इस फोन में हमने एक 64 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा डाला है, which is very unique for this segment. कोई करता नहीं है.
And that also light here इसमें दिख रहा है, so that means Sony sensor.
Absolutely.
In this price segment.
In this price point. And this is absolutely unique. कोई भी ब्रांड 3 कैमरा सेटअप के साथ Sony Lightyear सेंसर के साथ 64 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा नहीं दे रहा है. बट ये सिर्फ इतना नहीं है. What we've done is we've also added 2 algorithms to make sure that the image processing is very, very smooth and you get lifelike pictures. You'll get lifelike videos, and that's the most important thing. So when the hardware is there, but when you see the phone and when you shoot it, then you realize how good the quality of the shots are. We've also added a 13 megapixel front camera, which allows for very strong selfies, which is basic, but is definitely at par with the best in the market.
And also very good for video calls because आजकल people say चलो ठीक है selfie camera तो ठीक है but what else will I use it? Now almost जितने भी हम लोग video call करते हैं we have to do it with the front camera, so it's become a very very important part. तो आप चाहे selfie ले रहे हैं चाहे आप video call कर रहे हैं, you need a great front camera और ये camera actually in our testing performed way above our expectations. बड़ी अच्छी detail capture करता है, handles skin tones very well, manages very decent results even in low light combined with Intel का जो आपने से उन्होंने बोला optimization, how they set it up, जो उन्होंने software use किया, algorithm use किए, AI enhancements किए. So the Super ZX का जो camera delivers very good results, perfect for Instagram, WhatsApp, shares and everyday use. We're going to show you some of the camera samples we actually took. Okay, let's move on now. एक और compromise usually आ जाता है because that's something that almost always happens कि under 10,000 rupees में you'll get not bad battery life, but you don't get amazing also. So what's the MAH, what's the battery pack like?
So we obviously packed this phone with a strong battery. We have a 5000 mAh high density battery.
Okay.
So it's very important to understand that the battery is not only about the mAh, it's also about how well and how efficient the phone is in using the battery capacity. Okay. It's also about the number of charging cycles. And if you look at the phone and if you compare it to most of the rest of the segment, you will see that the phone is at an advantage. So what we've packed this phone up with is a very strong high density 5000 mAh battery, and then we fine tuned it to a very, very large degree. Which
and
means
great processor, it's a bada frugal processor hai. It literally sips battery life in very small little bits, right? So I think that makes it a great thing. So आपके work calls हो, movie marathons हो, casual gaming हो, it will not give up. It will carry on. It's like a marathon runner in every which way. और जो बात जो आनंद ने बताई वो बहुत जरूरी है कि Acer brand का जो AI powered battery learning system है, observe करेगा आपके usage habits, adjust करेगा performance को deliver करेगा even better endurance over time. And yes, fast charging supported है, so you're never out of power. And of course, thank you very much, the adapter is in the box, right? No outside purchases at all. But let's move on now to the headliner. And this is where I think you actually now going to be ready to win the third phone. और ये आपको immediately अभी आनंद ने बताया ही था. All I'm asking you is what is the battery capacity of the Acer Super ZX? आपके options हैं 1000 mAh, 11 mAh, 5000 mAh या 3500 mAh. We made it very, very easy for you. Third phone must be one. और इसको जीतने के लिए आपने सिर्फ जो है इस सवाल का जवाब आपने जो है Twitter या X पे डालना है. टैग करो मुझे, टैग करो Acer को, टैग करो Amazon को, and one of you will win this phone. Remember, question है what is the mAh? 5000 mAh है कि 6300 है कि 5000 कि 3500 है. What is the mAh of this? And if you saw, थोड़ा सा hint मैंने आप लोग को फिर से दे दिया था. Okay, let's move on now. So the part that is, I think this is the shock that I'm getting from a lot of comments from people is that is this really under 10,000 rupees? So I'm really dying to really, I'm very क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में, उतावला हो रहा हूँ कि मैं बता दूं, लेकिन अभी नहीं, आई विल टेल यू। अभी तो 3 फोन्स हुए हैं, अभी 2 फोन और आप लोग ने जीतने भी हैं। सो दिस इज an under 10,000 rupee phone, the Acer Super ZX, smart है, strong है, super affordable है, and everyone is now waiting now for a lot about the Acer Super ZX Pro. उसमें क्या क्या उन्होंने डाल दिया और उसकी क्या प्राइस है। लेकिन I want to point out something. I told you so much about the phone because sometimes जो brand जो है जो enter करते हैं Indian market को global devices के साथ, you said it right, they're not built for our conditions, and this one is because हम लोग ने जिस तरीके से इसको torture test किया, I said it before, you've taken away the pain points, and I'm very glad that you have because it makes a very very big difference. Did you do a lot of research? Did you go to customers? क्योंकि ये लग रहा है कि बड़ा well thought out response है आपका with this phone. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so I think the genesis of this phone starts from customer research.
Okay.
Understanding the customer, their pain points, how India is consuming its smartphones, and how it is different from all the global devices
Correct.
that we see
Bilkul.
in the market. We went to the customers, we understood them, and we realized our phones had to be anchored around 3 pillars.
Okay.
One is definitely performance, the other is durability, and the third, and this is something very, very important to us, is affordability.
Which we are already seeing.
Absolutely. We asked ourselves, can we bring flagship level design, flagship level performance with an AI camera software without charging 50,000 rupees? That's the most important question.
Okay.
Can we give massive batteries, effective batteries, bright AMOLED displays, and premium finishes without cutting corners?
Okay.
That's the question that we went out with. And the answer was yes. It was just more about innovation and putting the right things in place.
And of course, you've given people a big hint about the fact that AMOLED screen is something that they can look forward to. And again, you'll be shocked at the price point of this phone. Okay, अब phones के बारे में हम लोग ने बातें कर ली, हम लोग ने टेस्ट किया इनको यहाँ पे. We've been very, very impressed from camera quality to build feel to the snappy UI, the audio that they put into this. This is clearly, there are no afterthoughts. Your phones, they've been built with real purpose, right? लेकिन are you now, is this it कि 2 phone आएंगे, or are you here for the long haul?
Definitely the latter.
Okay.
We are here to make an impact.
Okay.
We think we can definitely improve on the smartphone experience of Indian customers. We feel we understand the Indian customers well, and hence we are committed to building new smartphones, launching more phones in the future. We're committed to supporting these devices that we're putting out in the market, making sure that our customers not only get great devices, but also get great services around their devices. We've really strengthened our after-sale service infrastructure to make sure that the service is just around the corner for our customers. We will be listening to our customers. We'll be becoming a name you can trust, not just on your desk, but now also in your pocket.
Good one, Anand. और ये मेरे लिए, this is a very important part because बहुत सारे brands हैं इंडिया में that make good products because they're bringing them in. But the service centers and customer service really sucks. So I'm so happy कि ये एक बहुत important point है आपके लिए, and it is a very very important thing to do. Okay, अब हम लोग ने why तो समझ लिया, strong reasoning हमारे को यहाँ पे मिल गई है, लेकिन the performance of these incredible phones is something मेरी पूरी team बहुत ही surprised थी that they've really put in the best processing units ever, and that of course is from MediaTek. Or it is our privilege today that we have Anuj, the marketing director for MediaTek, who is joining us. Welcome, Anuj. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Very good to meet you. पहला question तो मेरा वही है कि he had suggested a new name, right? So what was it?
Meditation.
This thing. So is there a sub brand you could think of, something for the serene, the surreal, the people who live at a plane higher than others?
I believe with that of MediaTek Dimensity itself, which is such a great brand.
He is the perfect brand person.
Yes.
He comes in and immediately is able to answer that question right away. Okay, I wanted to ask you, my first question, जो I think एक obvious बात है कि हम लोग ने Pro के बारे में अभी ज़्यादा बात नहीं की है, but it has the legendary and maybe one of the most famous chipsets you made because इसकी जो price to performance ratio है शायद even MediaTek has never achieved before, right? The MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor. Tell me a little bit about what people can expect from this processor.
So will I also get a chance to win the phone? Because I know आपके Amazon.
This is only for viewers.
Oh, I know. I'm sure. Great. Yeah. So yes, I think I would certainly like to congratulate here, to the Acer brand and Incal team for foraying into smartphones, and just not one but two smartphones as we are talking today. Right?
Absolutely.
Very interesting innovation it is, and I'm really happy to say that Acer has, which is like known for one of the biggest names in the PC industry, which has seen impressive success in the performance-centric notebooks, has chosen MediaTek to power its first set of smartphones in India market. And as you already mentioned, Rajiv, this collab, with the brand is very, very special for all of us. And I can't wait that everybody to use Acer Super ZX Pro, which is powered by, which we just now talked about, Dimensity 7400, which itself is a very strong chipset, because this offers an excellent mix of performance.
Yes.
With that of it, आपकी कोई भी आप ऐप की बात करें यूज करने के लिए फोन के अंदर, that's really flawless.
Also very good for gaming. That's something we have experienced with this. The 7400 really gives excellent performance for gaming.
Absolutely. क्योंकि अगर परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें, because this comes with a 4 nanometer process, उसकी वजह से जो भी आपकी कोई भी आपकी जो भी जिसके अंदर आपको पावर एफिशिएंसी चाहिए होती है, and it is much better than the competition chipset by 25% efficiency जो है इसके अंदर आपको मिलती है, because it comes with the 4 nanometer process. It also comes with the Cortex Big A78 cores, जिसकी वजह से आपकी gaming, I'm sure आप gaming करते हैं,
right? Of course.
We both do, yeah,
Oh,
absolutely,
that's
big time.
That's fun, right? और कोई भी तरह की जो big task है उनको kick in करता है ये big core, but जैसे छोटी चीजें हैं small cores के लिए,
Yes.
उसके लिए we don't disturb our big cores.
The big guy can take it easy then.
Yes, that's right. And that's when Cortex A55 cores है, which actually guarantees a very smooth response, और जिसके अंदर battery drain भी नहीं होता, very less. Not only that, but अभी इसके अंदर हम AI is always needed, right?
Flavor of the season for sure. Right? Okay.
So MediaTek also provides a dedicated NPU 655, which would make the AI workloads very smooth. So I'm quite confident, with that of MediaTek Dimensity 7400. It offers not only good, but it offers a great and a sustained performance with this particular chipset. And I'm thinking, gamers और जितने भी tech savvy लोग हैं उनके लिए this is going to be very important.
I think Anuj, I completely agree with you. ये बहुत important points हैं because a country like India, जहाँ users जो है ना, they push the phone to the limit. मतलब एक बार खरीद लेते होते हैं, अब अभी को ना निचोड़ के इस फोन को यूज करना है, कुछ छोड़ना नहीं है मैंने इसमें, right? तो ये आप कैसे, how is MediaTek ensuring कि the performance stays consistent even with things like long gaming sessions, and more people are becoming gamers now than ever before, and of course the amount of consumption of video streaming and all is only going up and up. How do you keep it consistent?
Absolutely. I'm sure हमारी audience को यहाँ पे पता ही है that MediaTek is one of the biggest fabless SoC makers in the world, and we power more than 2 billion devices annually, from smartphones to smart TVs to Chromebooks and many more. And we have a massive R&D centers wherein our teams are tirelessly working to bring the best of the technology. अगर मैं बात करूं हमारी Dimensity lineup की, we just do not only offer the best core mix, but at the same time we offer a perfect balance, which takes care of the performance and efficiency. And not only that, but इसके अंदर हमने कुछ और cool tech भी डाला हुआ है इस फोन के अंदर. Yes.
All right.
अगर हम बात करें गेमिंग की बात करें, राइट, इसके ये हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं इसके अंदर MediaTek Adaptive Gaming Technology, which is MAGT. इस टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से MAGT, yes.
MAGT.
This is more maddening, because the gamers, they become actually mad, when they really enjoy the power of.
So MAGT makes people mad.
This
Okay, but what does MAGT stand for?
This is
Or MAGT stand
yeah, this is MAGT, which is MediaTek Adaptive gaming technology.
Okay,
This technology smartly optimizes thermals to ensure long and sustained performance in your favorite games. So for gamers, guys, just keep playing. You don't have to think about anything else. We've also have a superb modem which comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7400 SoC. वो खाली आपको fastest of 5G speeds नहीं देता, उसके अलावा it also takes a very little power when you are shifting from a network to another network. So it's a fully power efficient computing solution है इसके अंदर. So as your phone is whenever you're connecting to internet, I'm sure movies भी हम सब देखते हैं ना India. So if at all you're watching some nice movies on this phone, or if at all some navigation, some people I think they also need to navigate, right? When they especially come from other parts of the city, right?
Anand would be perfect example.
Okay. So Anand,
he
I'm
struggled
sure
today.
you are going to be using the phone for navigation.
अगर ये
as
वाला
well.
कोई होता Anand, I don't think you would have struggled. Right?
I missed one of these in my hand today.
So I'm sure if at all you navigate with this phone, you will notice that Acer's Super ZX Pro, it doesn't heat up at all, and of course even the terms of battery, it is very efficient.
That's the efficiency of the battery that we were talking
No,
about.
I think
earlier.
absolutely. I think it is a very, very good combination, very well optimized. फिर से बहुत सारे मुझे सवाल आ रहे हैं कि fourth question कब पूछोगे, Pro का review कब दोगे, when are you going to tell us about that, उसकी prices कब reveal करोगे, हम सब कुछ करने वाले हैं अभी, but I have one more last quick question now for Anuj, right? And that is about MediaTek जो power कर रहा है, as you said, how many million devices?
More than 2 million devices.
That's a lot, okay? Flagship killers to budget beasts हैं. तो Acer brand का जो mobile debut है, why is this partnership so important to both brands? What do you think will come out of this?
See, Rajiv, we're absolutely right. I think it's very well known fact that MediaTek collaborates with some of the largest brands and the names worldwide.
Correct,
With best of the technology I just now mentioned about, right? What we have, and not only that we power everything from a budget smartphone to even flagship series, which we have a great success with that of our Dimensity 9000 series in India. Amazing phones there as well. So we collaborate with Acer brand was such a logical decision for us, because Acer brand, as we all know, has established itself as one of the most trusted PC brands. In fact, a lot of friends of mine, they have they are gaming geeks and they have been using Predator line of gaming laptops from Acer brand.
Brilliant line. Yes.
Absolutely. In fact, last week ही मैंने भी एक 2K curve monitor लिया for gaming.
Nice.
Really interesting one. So yes, but not so. I believe with all of this being put together, as far as MediaTek is concerned, we have more than 50% market share last year for smartphones in India market.
Dominating.
Yes, we have been doing that, and with that of I believe Acer and MediaTek being put together, I'm sure we're going to be achieving some remarkable results.
Now with what जो आप लोग की यहाँ पे partnership का जो result आया है, I have no doubts that this is going to be a great partnership, and we're going to see this as just a starting point, right? Okay, thank you, Anuj. Thank you so much. Wonderful meeting you, and I hope to catch up with you
Thanks, Arjun.
again very, very soon.
Thank you. All the best.
very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, that was great meeting up with Anuj again. Was like very insightful कि क्या क्या वो कर रहे हैं, and your partnership seems to be working fantastic. लेकिन people are saying now pro almost जैसे कि वो होता था ना cricket stadium में Sachin तो ये अब हमारे comments में आ रहा है pro. So let's talk about it. Device everyone is waiting for, the Acer Super ZX Pro. Sachin, पहले ये phone दिखाओ सबको. I mean, this is such a brilliant looking phone. I'm going to leave it out here. जरा close-up दिखाओ उनको अच्छी तरह. What does this phone look like? The way the cameras are. और वो सारी तरीके से इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Let's talk about the design. जैसे ही आप इस phone को अपने हाथ में पकड़ते हैं, it feels premium. The materials used, the kind of design language, the sides, the buttons, everything is just beautifully done. 6.78 inch का AMOLED display again. I'm repeating, it's got an AMOLED display. It's designed here for the content connoisseur. Everything on screen looks very stunning, vivid colors हैं, deep blacks हैं, crystal clarity है इसमें. 120 Hz का refresh rate है इसमें, so it's really smooth in every swipe. आप scroll करें, the animation is buttery smooth, whether you're watching YouTube or watching a video on Prime Video in HDR or editing a video, display जो है turns everything into an absolute visual feast. बहुत ड्यूरेबल फ़ोन है, IP64 रेटेड है, ड्रॉप टेस्टेड के लिए बहुत बार इन्होंने टेस्ट किया है, स्प्लैश रेजिस्टेंट है, built for India's unpredictable weather. Now, we've talked about drop test. You know what it's time for? What do you think? A drop test. Okay. So, Anand, I know your confidence must be very high.
Yes.
So is mine. लेकिन ऑडियंस हमेशा मेरे को बोलती है कि यार तुम इतने ड्रॉप टेस्ट करते हो. सो नॉर्मली ड्रॉप टेस्ट आर डन फ्रॉम ईदर वेस्ट हाइट और this side because this is the only two places.
Yeah.
But our studio is 14 feet.
Right.
And I throw the phone up usually to about 12 feet. Now, what do you think? Will it survive?
I'm absolutely certain it will survive. I would say go for it.
I should?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. All right, okay. That sound was incredible, but as you can see, Sachin, aa jao. The phone is absolutely perfect. Kuch nahi hua hai phone ko. Right? Let me turn it around and also show it. So that's called a real drop test. 12 foot se. You know, ये सोचना भी did the phone survive or did it not? He was so confident, I was very confident. तो इसमें जो metal back है, sturdiness है around, जो frame बनाया है इन्होंने, it gives that phone that very, very solid thing. Yet बड़ा luxurious feel है that you get from top-end devices. Processor के बारे I think Anuj spoke so much about it, you've spoken so much about it, but very quickly, MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor है, first in its segment to actually sport this powerful chipset, 4 nanometer के chipset से बना है ये, and 5G का ये चिपसेट है, पावर, प्रिसिशन, द चिप डिलीवर्स एवरीथिंग. ये जो चिप है, जो फोन है, डिलीवर्स द काइंड ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस दैट फोन्स ट्वाइस इन इट्स प्राइस समटाइम्स कैन नॉट. तो आप गेमिंग कर रहे हैं, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कर रहे हैं, स्विचिंग बिटवीन एप्स और एडिटिंग 4K वीडियो, देयर इज नो लैग, देयर इज नो स्लो डाउन, एंड इट्स बैक्ड अप बाय, दिस इज समथिंग क्वाइट रिमार्केबल इन दिस कैटेगरी एंड प्राइस पॉइंट. एंड बाय द वे इसका प्राइस पॉइंट इज अनबिलीवेबल ऑल्सो. 12 GB of RAM.
Yes.
You've really pushed this. This is like a computer company coming into this. They know कि किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है और क्या गिमिक है, right? 12 GB of RAM, dynamic RAM है, UFS 4.1 storage है. Phone is a multitasking powerhouse. Load times are instant, background processes run smooth, everything just runs cool. And mostly everything has been explained. Super ZX Pro has been tested on top titles like BGMI, Call of Duty, Need for Speed, and everything just runs perfect. Frame rates are perfect. Okay, moving on to camera. Very, very quickly, if you want to just tell them about the camera while I show it to them. This may be, I think, the Sony Lightyear, but
yes,
you've used a much, much higher level sensor in
yes,
this, right?
absolutely.
Tell them
So it is again a triple camera setup. So again, very, very unique. Even for this segment, very few brands are able to come up with a 3 camera setup here. We're sticking to a Sony sensor. So even this phone with an OIS and a 50 megapixel camera has a Sony sensor built into it, into the main camera.
इसमें 50 megapixel का Sony Lightyear IMX882 है. That sensor with OIS, which is also emblazoned out here, it's fantastic. OIS यानी कि optical image stabilization. हम लोग जिस तरीके से टेस्ट करते हैं, we usually take the phone and start running, and you know, up and down a staircase also, and we tried it on this and it looks like you're skating on the stairs. So the OIS is absolutely fantastic. Excellent low light performance है इसकी, sharp details आ जाती है, noise बिल्कुल नहीं है हमारे को मिली. 5 megapixel का ultra wide, which Anand did mention, perfect है for group shots and landscape. 2 megapixel का macro lens है इसमें for close up details. Surprising amount of depth is what we were able to capture with that, and I'm showing you all those things right now. Front में 50 megapixel का selfie camera है, capable of 2K video recording. Bloggers, influencers, remote professionals, you're going to love how this front camera actually operates. Makes you look really, really good. No filters required. On Acer brand का AI image processing है, you get fantastic stuff. Scene recognition, portrait enhancement, real-time video stabilization है, night mode optimization है. It's not a camera. This is a content creator tool in every which way. Okay, so now 3 done. 4th one coming in. ये है question number 4 for someone to win this. हमारा टावर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ऊपर आया जा रहा है. So here is question number 4. Camera sensor in the Acer Super ZX Pro is made by which brand? बहुत आसान कर देंगे आपके लिए. Choice number 1 Acer, number 2 Starbucks, number 3 Sony, number 4 JCB. Number two के obvious chances हैं that
Yes.
people who will answer that should win it, right?
We're just on the first answer, we'll give it away.
Absolutely. So to win this giveaway यानी कि phone number 4 आपने इतना करना है, correct answer को आप जो है put it out on a tweet, मेरे को टैग कर दो, Acer को टैग कर दो, Amazon को टैग कर दो, अपने आंसर के साथ हमारे हैंडल आपके स्क्रीन पे है right now, and one of you will win this 4th phone and it will be delivered to you in pristine condition, brand new, looking good, feeling good to your house. Okay, now very quickly I'm going to take you through because we're running out of time and we still have, to speak to Zeba of Amazon also. So fatafat, I'll tell them about the fact that इस वाले phone में भी, even though it's a very thin phone, 5000 mAh की high density battery है, tuned for high performance. It's a great configuration battery. It's become a very important part of our life. आराम से full day plus 2-3 hours भी आपको मिल जाएगा, even with heavy gaming, camera use, streaming. When it's time to charge, fast charging gets you up and running in no time. And again, the charger is in the box. Improving जो battery health जो इन्होंने डाली है, adapting power output, जो same thing that we had spoken about on this. You optimized it, you tuned it, you fine-tuned it, you tweaked it. You can get perfect this thing, and of course the processor and your tuning make sure कि आपको overheating की कोई भी problem इसमें नहीं आएगी. Marathon gaming night, so it'll happen out there. So this is an incredible phone in every which way. तो अब ये जो है दोनों फोन्स के बारे में हमने बात कर लिया. डू रिमेंबर, अभी एक और फोन का गिव अवे रह जाएगा. आई विल आस्क यू दैट क्वेश्चन राइट एट द एंड. डू नॉट गो anywhere. Okay, so let me just give you a quick synopsis. हमारा पहला फोन the Acer Super ZX is built for value, dependability and everyday greatness at an incredible price which is under 10,000 rupees. I will tell you the price. Acer Super ZX Pro is a full-blown flagship killer engineered for creators, gamers and multitaskers. दोनों हैं being designed with Acer's legendary computing DNA, built with India in mind, India pain points in mind, and both are ready to disrupt the smartphone market in every which way. जब आप कुछ इतना बोल्ड बिल्ड करते हो, इतना रेवोल्यूशनरी करते हो ना, यू वांट टू रीच आउट टू एवरीवन, एंड दैट्स वेयर इंडियाज मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड प्लेटफॉर्म कम्स इन, व्हिच इज ऑफ कोर्स आपकी Amazon India की पार्टनरशिप, राइट? व्हेन यू एंटर द स्मार्टफोन स्पेस, यू डोंट नीड अ गुड प्रोडक्ट, you do need a distribution powerhouse, and Amazon does a great job with that. A partner that understands the scale, trust, customer experience. Isliye I think it's a great opportunity right now to meet up with Zeba Khan, Director Consumer Electronics, Amazon India. Thank you so much, Zeba, for joining us out here. So Zeba, my first question is, what does it mean to have Acer as a brand on board?
First of all, thanks a lot, Rajiv, for having me here today for this Acer launch. I'm super excited about this launch because at Amazon, we believe in democratizing technology for everybody. We want everyone, everywhere to have access to technology, and we love to partner with brands who embrace that philosophy. So this Acer launch today is not just a product listing. It means that this product is now available whether you're in a metro or a tier 2, tier 3 city. It's available to all our customers and with an end-to-end reliable experience. So looking forward to this launch.
That's a massive promise जिसका आपने बात की है, लेकिन मेरे को पता है Amazon has the reach to deliver it. I'm sure that's an experience you already have. लेकिन Zeba, tell us, what kind of experience can users expect? अगर let's say they decide right now, after all, इस लाइव में इतने सारे लोगों ने हम लोग को ज्वाइन किया, अगर वो डिसाइड करते हैं to buy the Acer Super ZX या Super ZX Pro from Amazon, what can they expect from you separate and different?
Rajiv, that's a great question. When you buy a smartphone at Amazon, you don't just buy a smartphone, you get an end-to-end reliable experience. When customers come to us as a trusted electronics destination, we offer the largest technology selection, we offer affordability options, and we offer a lot of convenience to our customers, which I'll talk about. And this will be available on this Acer launch as well. To begin with, we service 100% of the serviceable PIN codes in India. So our customers can buy this product whether they are in a metro, a tier 1 or a tier 2 city. This product will be available to them. Especially for our Prime customers, we offer free and fast delivery. What does that mean? We actually deliver more than 10 lakh products on the same day and more than 40 lakh products next day to our Prime customers. We also recognize that affordability is very important for our customers, and to make sure that they have access to this latest product, we will be offering flexible payment options. They can buy these products at no cost EMI. There will also be instant bank discounts. And of course, we have the 1-year extended warranty from Acer, which will keep our customers covered. So overall, it's going to be a reliable, seamless shopping experience for all our customers who want access to the Acer ZX and ZX Pro latest launch.
You know, that's absolutely fantastic, and about to hear it from you makes me feel even more confident that you both really thought this out from start to finish. Product ready, platform ready, audience is more than ready. So let's move on to what everyone has been waiting for. Zeba, thank you so much for joining us. Because अब लोग हम deep dive करने वाले हैं into the price point that everyone has been waiting for. Never seen before prices हैं इनकी. We're not joking about it. You're going to be absolutely shocked. लोग सोचते हैं यार इतनी सारी चीजें इसमें डाल दी, the price point will be something जो मेरे wallet में, you know, you can't break a bank to buy a great looking phone, right? And that's exactly what is not going to happen today. कोई बैंक नहीं break होगा, सिर्फ आपके price की expectation आज completely break हो जाएगी, because I think Acer is coming to change the game, to flip the market, to disrupt the way you think about smartphone pricing. So शुरू करते हैं with this, the Acer Super ZX, a phone that has the MediaTek 6300 processor, a fantastic front and back camera, 5000 mAh battery, very lightweight body designed for everyday reliability, and this starts off, आपको मैंने price का promise दिया था, under 10,000 rupees. Why do you announce the price for the base one?
I think it's better that you
Better
do
that
it.
I do it? Okay. You're going to be shocked. 9,990. Let me say that again. Under 10,000 rupees का promise उन्होंने पूरा किया. Powerful है, practical है, premium feeling है. It's not just about competitive pricing. This is Acer का phone. Can you imagine? Performance accessible to all. Now let's move on to the Acer Super ZX Pro. फिर से remind कर दूं what all you're getting. MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor, absolute rocket. Android 15 out of the box, 6.7-inch AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision plus Atmos, dual speakers, metal back finish, IP64 rating, Sony IMX882 camera, sensor with OIS, 50 megapixel front camera with 2K video, 5G, of course, all bands on this. Super flagship, most people that actually will be thinking about this will be like 25,000 tak ka hoga if they are aggressive. What about the fact that it's under 20? It's under 19,000. It's under 18,000. Ye hai plot twist. Starts off at 17,990. You're getting features that are found in a 30,000 plus phone at nearly half the price. और याद रखना, ये सिर्फ start है. आपको instant discount coupons मिलेंगे, exchange bonus मिलेगा, no cost EMI मिलेगा with major banks, and all of this exclusively on Amazon.in, starting from the 25th of April.
Yes.
Is that right? So 25th of April, that's what you can do. And do remember, हर phone में there are variants. So these are the base prices.
Yeah.
There are variants. You can really, really upend whatever you want. Anand, thank you so much. Before we end the live, I have to do a final question. After all, the fifth
Yes,
phone must complete the tower. So the final question, which you all definitely should know the answer if you've been watching this live, that is, MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset जो is made using what nanometer process? तो आपको ऑप्शंस हैं 6 नैनोमीटर, 4 नैनोमीटर, 12 नैनोमीटर, 10 सेंटीमीटर. तो जो चौथा वाला है उसकी चांसेस थोड़े से कम हैं. To win the giveaway and to have this phone delivered to your house for free, correctly answer करिए the question on Twitter or X, tag me, tag Acer, tag Amazon. हम लोग के जो handles are on your screen. All you have to remember is that those are the places that you have to tag us on the handles and give us the right answer. All उठा पाऊंगा मैं? 5 के 5 phones, the giveaways are ready for you. Remember, these 5 phones must be won. Thank you so much, Anand. Congratulations. I think this has been one of those revolutionary launches. जो मेरे को लग रहा है कि, you know, when you and me meet up after 6 months or 1 year, we'll be like, remember when we launched those 2 phones and where we have gone, कहाँ market में चले गए हम लोग, how Acer as a smartphone brand has become a big favorite here in India. That is what I'm very confident is going to be happening. Totally and absolutely. So do remember, the end of a journey सिर्फ हमारे life के लिए is the start of a very revolutionary beginning. You witnessed something special. You witnessed history being made out here. A tech brand जिसने define किया decades of computing, now redefining mobility. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you very, very soon in our next one. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Anand. Thanks a lot. Thanks.